And a beautiful day to get outside today, John. Today's the day, right? If you really want to do anything outside, it's gorgeous.
100%. Go out for a walk, take a stroll, something to enjoy the sunshine and the warmth. It's not going to be lasting too long. Weather impact day for tomorrow. That's because strong winds will be blowing things around and also dropping our temperatures very quickly. So what to expect as we go throughout Thursday? First off, gorgeous sunshine to start this afternoon. Rain overnight tonight. Clouds will move in. That's the first cold front. Second cold front is going to bring colder temperatures, but yeah, also 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts for the late morning going in the afternoon. And we are going to be feeling like the 20s and teens going deeper into the afternoon. Even a chance for some isolated snow showers throughout our Thursday. For today, tracking the winds, not going to be anything too strong. They are from the south, but this evening overnight, you're going to start to have a little bit more of these stronger gusts form. By 7 o'clock, 20 to 30 miles per hour. By midnight tonight, could hear a little bit of howling here and there, about 40 to 45 mile per hour gusts. It'll be very short-lived as they push on out throughout tomorrow morning, catching a little bit of a lull as we get to around 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. Thursday morning, but it does not last long. 9 a.m. is when that wind advisory goes into effect, and we'll see these winds really crank up as we see 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts by lunchtime tomorrow, continuing into the afternoon. And in the evening is when they start to wind down. 6 p.m. we're going to start to see that advisory expire. However, could see it maybe expanded a little bit farther east, and also time-wise, maybe close around 8 o'clock is whenever we'll really see those winds dip underneath that 40 mile per hour range, and we'll have more of a manageable 20 to 30 mile per hour gust range. As we talk about the future track for today, sunshine, not a lot of cloud cover until overnight tonight. Showers move in mainly after midnight. We're talking these early morning showers push on through mainly east of I-35 by around 6 o'clock, so not even going to be here for the main rush hour time frame as we talk about the morning commute tomorrow. But then as that pushes out, those strong winds bringing colder temperatures, going to see some quick moving, very brief snow showers that will be passing by as we go into the afternoon and then wrapping up deeper into the evening. Here in the metro, could see some of those minor flurries, but overall minor snowfall. It's going to be just a dusting if it wasn't so windy. It's all going to be blowing around because it is going to be very, very windy tomorrow. And then also, we dip down very cold. The afternoon, feel like temperatures dip into the teens and eventually single digits. Could even see some below zero numbers when it comes to the wind chill, mainly areas north of I-80. But it is going to cool down very quick. So yeah, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the warmth. Right now, 44 downtown, and we'll continue to climb most likely near 50 degrees for our high. Again, tomorrow, weather impact day for the strong winds. Cold to start our Friday, but we are rebounding and we're going to be warm for the weekend. Highs in the 40s.